The Expert in Anything was once a beginner by Helen Hayes. So true, isn't it? No one was born fluent in English. Everyone starts from scratch, but with the right guidance and practice, anyone, I repeat, anyone can speak fluently. On that note, hi everyone, this is me Yogita, your English communicational coach, and this video is going to bust a common misconception, which is if you study in a government school, so you cannot speak English fluently. I'll tell you, which is not true at all. And to prove this, I would like to introduce one of my lovely student, Sonam, who is currently in 7th grade studying government school. And you know what is inspiring about her journey? She started her education directly from 5th grade without taking any classes before. Imagine starting so late, and today she is confidently learning and growing. And I must say, I am so proud of her that she is working. And you know, today I'm quite excited to have a conversation with her, and let's hear from her how she feels today. So let's ask Sonam. Sonam, how are you today?
Hi, I'm pretty good, thank you. But how about you?
Yeah, doing fantastic, Sonam. Thank you for asking. Sonam, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Hello everyone, as she already said that I'm Sonam and I'm 12 years old and now I study in 7th class and I go to SKV Jajiklani school. And do you know which is a government school? Yes, I study in government school. So first of all, I really want to say thank you so much Yogita ma'am for giving me this opportunity.
So, Sonam, first question is that people think that if they study in government school, so they cannot speak fluent English. What do you think about it?
I think it doesn't matter which school you study in. What's really matter is your will to learn. You know, I study in government school, but you can see how I'm able to talk in English. It's because I practice speaking English every day in my home, and you can see the result. You know what's really matter? Who is guiding you? Because the right strategy play a big role in it. And you know, I give full credit to ma'am because of her I'm able to sit here and speak in English front of all. And seriously, I didn't know a single word of English before, but in now you see I'm able to talk in English. It's because her support and teaching changed everything for me, and you can see here I am today.
Amazing, Sonam, amazing. Whatever she emphasized on the one thing, which is imitation. In every video, I always mention that imitation is a key. So, if you want to learn this language now, ये तो एकदम चाबी है, आपको पकड़ लेनी है. Same चीज़ I followed in my past, and she is doing the same thing. Because without imitation, you cannot learn this language. Now, Sonam, one more question for you. You know, like it happens. Most of the people say like, they have words, but when the situation occurs, they are not able to speak those words and vocabulary. So, have you ever faced such kind of problem that you have words but you are not able to frame it in your sentence and in your spoken, like whenever you try to speak, basically?
Yes, it's happened to me a lot. I understand what other people are saying, but when I'm trying to reply, so I get stuck. It's because I'm not confident enough. But nowadays I've started speaking more, and it slowly become a classier. And as you always say, imitation is the key. So every day should have work on it.
Does it happen with you also? You feel nervous when you want to speak in English? Because it happens with many people that they know the sentence in their mind, but when it turns to speak out, they prefer to speak it in Hindi. मुझे रेस्टोरेंट जाना है और मुझे वहाँ पे पानी मांगना है, सो मैं इंग्लिश मुझे पता है उसकी कि मैं ये बोलूँ कि एक्सक्यूज़ मी गेट मी सम वाटर, एक्सक्यूज़ मी गेट मी सम वाटर. बट व्हाट आई प्रेफर, मैं क्या बोलूँगी कि यार इंग्लिश तो दिमाग में है बट नर्वस हो रही हूँ, मैं सिंपल से सेंटेंस बोलने में भी नर्वस हो रही हूँ. मेरे माइंड में तो है वो सेंटेंस, पर मैं बोलने में उसको अभी भी नर्वस हो रही हूँ. ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत सारे लर्नर्स को फेस करनी पड़ती है. सो सोनम, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक व्हाट इज इट हैपन विद यू आल्सो? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो दिस वे.
Yes, I feel nervous sometimes. I think, what if I say something wrong and people laugh at me? I give you some example. In my class, sometimes my teacher talk in English, so I want to say in English with her. But I think, what if I say something wrong and all students laugh at me? But when I remind myself that I try, so I never improve. But so now I speak even it's not perfect.
Amazing. So you want to say that learn from your mistake, right? That is a true fact. देखो, गलती करना सबको, वी आर ह्यूमन, गलती करो बट यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम इट. अगर कि आप गलती किए जा रहे हो पर कुछ सीख ही नहीं रहे, सो लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक. One last question for you, Sonam, and I just want to say you are speaking well, amazing, top notch. Okay, so Sonam, last question for our those learner who is watching this and are from government school and at their home no one is going to talk with them in English. What do you want to how you want to inspire them basically? What thoughts you can just give them and the strategy you want to share with them? Can you just tell us?
Yes, I just want to say all of the students who learn English that don't let your background decide your future. You can learn anything if you are ready to try, and don't be afraid to making mistake.
Amazing, amazing. So Sonam wants to say anyone can speak English, anyone can become a fluent speaker, but the thing is you have to be consistent. And the second thing she wants to say, don't afraid of making mistake, right? Learn from your mistake and one day definitely you will speak fluently. And your background doesn't matter. From which background do you, right? So thank you so much, Sonam, for sharing your thoughts so confidently. And I want to say I am really inspired with you because the way she speak, amazing. And I just want to say to all of those students who is watching our video, if you found this video helpful to you, and I hope this video gives you hope, motivation for keep learning, keep growing and keep speaking this language, because this is just a language. No, don't need to be perfect. Only one thing which is necessary, that you have to be constant on this language. And thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe and share this channel. And yeah, Sonam, would you like to say something?
Yes, I just want to say like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.
Thank you.